Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to never miss a video from us. Here are 15 MCQs with answers and explanations on querying data in Microsoft Fabric. Question 1. In Microsoft Fabric, what does the Visual Query Editor primarily allow users to do? Correct answer is build queries using a no-code, drag-and-drop interface, as the Visual Query Editor lets users shape and transform data without writing code. Question 2. Which SQL clause is used to group rows and apply aggregate functions? Correct answer is group by, as group by is used to aggregate data based on specific column values. Question 3. In KQL, which operator is used to summarize data with aggregation? Correct answer is summarize, as summarize in KQL aggregates data similar to group by in SQL. Question 4. How can you filter data using the Visual Query Editor in Fabric? Correct answer is apply step-based filters in the interface, as filters can be applied visually by adding steps in the transformation pane. Question 5. What does the SQL having clause do that where cannot? Correct answer is filters results of aggregate functions, as having filters groups created by group by, while where filters rows. Question 6. In KQL, what does the project operator do? Correct answer is select specific columns from the result set, as the project operator selects or renames specific columns in KQL. Question 7. What type of function is AVG in SQL? Correct answer is aggregate function, as AVG computes the average of a column and is an aggregate function. Question 8. In the Visual Query Editor, how is row filtering typically performed? Correct answer is by selecting column conditions in filter steps, as filtering in Visual Query Editor involves choosing conditions via UI steps. Question 9. Which clause in SQL sorts results in descending order? Correct answer is order by column desk, as order by desk sorts results in descending order. Question 10. Which operator in KQL restricts rows based on a condition? Correct answer is where, as the where operator in KQL is used to filter rows based on conditions. Question 11. What does the top clause do in SQL? Correct answer is limits the number of rows returned, as top limits the number of rows returned in the query result. Question 12. What is the function of the extend operator in KQL? Correct answer is adds calculated columns to a dataset, as extend adds new calculated fields to your dataset in KQL. Question 13. In Visual Query Editor, which action represents data aggregation? Correct answer is using group by step with summaries like sum, average, count, as grouping with summary functions is how aggregation is done visually. Question 14. What is the difference between select and select distinct in SQL? Correct answer is distinct eliminates duplicate rows, as select distinct returns only unique rows from the result set. Question 15. How do you rename a column in a KQL query? Correct answer is by assigning a new name in the project operator, as in KQL. Project new name equals column is used to rename columns. For full-length practice exams, check the link in the description. Like the video, subscribe, and comment if you like the video.